Hello, welcome to Small Town Customs. Today we're going to be working on this Hot Wheels here. It's a heavyweight ambulance. Bottom's not in too bad a shape, it just needs to be polished up. I'm missing the rear door. The little siren's a little bent because it's broke inside. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let's get started. Now we're going to make up some blue. Pretty sure I already shook this up. We're going to add a little bit of yellow to it. Okay, we're going to add just a little bit more yellow. Three drops. There, that give us our aqua blue color. Can't really see it. It is kind of a aqua blue color in the cup, but it don't really look like it on the camera. Okay, now we're going to need to grab our hardener. Oh, man. Oh, mercy. Oh. This is 4-to-1. 4 parts clear coat, 1 part hardener. That ought to be enough. All right, she's ready to paint. Okay, we're gonna blow our car off first. Oh. Forgot to put my mask on. doesn't make enough paint. Okay, we got our cars in a homemade heat box. We got the timer set for 2 hours. And they should be dry in 2 hours. I've got a meat thermometer sticking in there. I don't know if you can see it, a wire coming out. A little sensor there. Got it attached over here on the side. I don't have it turned on yet, but in about an hour and a half, we're going to put some batteries in it, turn it on, and see how hot it is. I would say that's pretty darn close to original color. This has got a little more green to it than what it's showing on the camera, but it is aqua color. I meant to put some batteries in my thermostat here, but I forgot. It shut off before I got in here to check it, but it was only in there for 2 hours. It shuts off automatically after 2 hours, whatever button you push. I had it set for 2 hours. It automatically shuts off. So they are completely dry. So let's get them put together. Okay, we got our heavyweight ambulance done. Find the on button here. It's not perfect, but I think it looks good just the way it is. I didn't do nothing to the white part. All I did was wash it off. I left the crosses a little blemished. Makes it look a little older. The color is actually kind of a bluish green color. It's not picking it up on the camera, but it looks pretty close to original color. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good one.